Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Time for another Majorette 5-pack unboxing. Today we have the black edition. This thing is sweet, guys. We're going to get this unboxed, show you all of these cool cars in this set. It's going to be pretty awesome, so stick with us. Alright, so check it out, guys. We've got a Lamborghini Scion. We've got the Land Rover Defender 90. The Bugatti Chiron Pure Sport. That one might be my favorite. Got the GMC Hummer and a Toyota GR Supra, guys. Some sweet cars, all blacked out. So let's crack this thing open. There they are. So this one still got the old rubber band style fasteners. The last few that I've done actually had the little plastic clips that are way nicer that go right in these little holes. So we're gonna go ahead and start over here with the Land Rover first. All right, guys, here's the Defender 90, the new one. It's got some aggressive tires on there. I'm digging those tires. Yeah, that looks super good in black, guys. I like it. Land Rover Defender. It's got a tow hitch. Very cool for the first car of the pack. All right, matte black on this guy, on the new EV Hummer. I wonder if that top comes off. I was wondering. That's kind of cool. Yeah. Cars just look good in black. Yeah, check that out. The frunk opens on that one too. Nice. All right, next up is the GR Supra. It's got some pretty funky wheels there for a Supra, but nice and big and chrome. This one does have the opening doors as well. A little interior shot there. Yeah, not a bad little car. Next up, guys, the Lamborghini. Check this thing out. That is looking good. And it's got the raising doors. There you go. Got a flex with the doors that go up. Looking good, guys, looking good. Scion FKP37. It's just a weird name. All right, last but certainly not least, the Bugatti Chiron Pure Sport. Look at that thing in all its black glory. The wheels look decent on here. The plastic wing. Doors open. Interior actually is looking pretty good on that one, guys. I like it. I like that one a lot. All right, guys, that's going to do it for this quick unboxing. The Majorette 5-pack Black Edition. Let me know down in the comments what your favorite car of this set was. For me, it's definitely got to be the Chiron. that casting and that color just looks so, so good. But we're going to go ahead and put each one of these up on the turntable here at the end, so you can stick around for that if you'd like. But if you haven't already, please like and subscribe. Stay tuned for our next videos coming out. We'll have another hunt video and another unboxing soon, so have a good one.